Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to post throwback photos on Facebook. So if you want to share an old photo on Facebook as a throwback, so whether it's from your memories, your timeline, or photo albums, Facebook makes it easy to repost special moments. So here's how. So open Facebook, then sign into your account. Next, click your profile in the bottom right corner. Once you're here, scroll down and go to memories. So once you're here, you can browse through your memories and select the photo or post you'd like to share as a throwback. So once you find it, you can click share as post. So it will automatically put caption. So it will say from the archives. Then you can change the visibility. You can set it to public, friends, or close friends, then only me, etc. Then click done. You can also change the caption. You can tag people. You can add location, etc. Then click post. So click post to publish your memory or throwback post. So again, once you're happy with your post, you can tap post to share your throwback with your friends. So once you shared it, you can click your profile, then go to your profile, then scroll down and you should see it from your profile. So you should see your memory or post in here. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.